Hello viewers, welcome back to Copunjus. Today in this video I'm going to review about Redmi A1. This mobile attracted me a lot to make this video. This is a budget friendly mobile which comes around like a $100, $110. In India it costs you around 7 to 6 to 8k depending upon the variant. And now I'm going to review completely about this mobile. It comes with a like a 16.55 centimeter 5.2 inches mobile. It's a comfortable mobile, not big, not too small. It's a comfortable mobile within your hand. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery and one more thing, clean Android experience. And it has a 8 megapixel and 8 megapixel main camera and latest textures design and powerful power efficient processor like a MediaTek Helio A22. And coming to the design, the back design is looking good, well, like a camera setup and that blue colors. Especially we have it two colors. One is a light green and light blue colors. It and design was also good, so good. That's what this and you can see here it comes with a two cameras, one flashlight and a camera. When we have a like a one 3.5 jack as well as yes, I think it's not Type C or USB-C, or let's check. And mic and the speaker button, speaker holes, and this mobile comes with the three colors. One is light green, one is light blue, and black. It's a black is matte finish type of texture and leather texture design. Amazing gate design with a leather texture finish has great crisp style look and much free touch to the smartphone. And it comes with a bigger display for more entertainment, more like a Redmi A1 comes with a mass HD plus display, supports 120Hz touch sampler brightness, all the entertainment to your life. And it comes with 88.89% screen to body ratio. Compared to other one, it was little bit uh, big, I think so. 400 display brightness, dark mode, and night light mode also available. You already told you it's like a 5,000 mAh battery and it comes with 10 watts charger. For it, 30 days standby time and 171 hours of music playback, 30 hours video playback, and 31.5 hours VoLTE calling. And it comes with a power efficient processor MediaTek Helio A22 along with a high speed DLL4 RAM. This smartphone will for multitasking also. And one more thing I'm going to tell you is comes with a clean Android experience. Android 12 provides a clean Android experience that ensures connectivity light and now coming to the camera setup. Most beautiful thing in this mobile is 8 megapixel dual AA camera as main camera and 5 megapixel front camera. And next we are going for the display quality also good and camera pictures quality also. It comes with a three slot, two slim two SIM card slots and one memory card. You can install three one, and it comes with 3.5 headphone jack. And these are the main features. This is the first mobile after a long time mi like a redmi as redmi assemble it in India. And coming to a main specification, like a I told you, it's like a Helio 2 up to 2 gigahertz IMG power VR and 2 GB LDDR4. And it comes with a 2 plus 1 dedicated SIM card slot. And network it can support only 4G. It doesn't has a 5G availability. And these are the network band wireless connectivity like supports. And display size 6.5 2 inches HD plus touch resistant display. And it comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, 10 volts, and RAID 8 megapixel DA camera and front 5 megapixel camera. These are the main features of this mobile. But I didn't couldn't find few things about this mobile. Is like the variant of the mobile like is a 6 GB or like a what is memory specific, they didn't mention properly in this site. I hope you like this video. The RAM should be like 2 GB. It's a basic. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.